Number 1. Which of the following statements is correct according to the TWI specification? A. Processing film is not a requirement if using TOFD source. B. Exposure of X and gamma ray radiation is measures in Curies. C. PB screen are used in all instances when using X-ray. D. None of these options are correct. The answer is A. Processing film is not a requirement if using TOFD source. Number 2. According to the TWI specification, electrically generated images should have a focal spot size of not greater than A. 10 mm, B. 2 by 2 mm, C. 4 by 2 mm, D. 6 mm. The answer is C. 4 by 2 mm. Number 3. According to TWI specification, the minimum output of an X-ray set is A. 192 kV, B. 200 kV, C. 120 kV, D. 250 kV. Number 4. In accordance with TWI specification, when taking radiographs on 450 mm diameter pipe, A. DWDI prepared, B. DWSI prepared, C. SWSI prepared, D. SWSI panoramic is prepared. The answer is B. DWSI prepared. Number 5. The source strength reported on RT01 is A. Too powerful for DWDI, B. Not powerful enough to penetrate the plate thickness stated on RT01, C. Is not permitted in the TWI specification, D. Is acceptable if the exposure time was minimized to suit the shot taken. The answer is D. Is acceptable if the exposure time was minimized to suit the shot taken. Number 6. Is the material state on RT01 A. Not permissible in the TWI specification, B. Not permissible to radiograph due to its permeability, C. Not permissible to radiograph due to its high density, D. Is a material that suit the DWSI technique. The answer is D. Is a material that suit the DWSI technique. Number 7. Which of the following statement is correct regarding RT01? A. All defects shown are detectable with UT only. B. All defects shown are detectable on this material but not on all material. C. Some of defects shown are very difficult to detect using radiography. D. The defects shown are not possible with this welding process. The answer is C. Some of defects shown are very difficult to detect using radiography. Number 8. On the report RT01, is the operator qualifications acceptable to TWI specification? A. Yes. B. No. C. This acceptable if the qualification to ISO 1736 has been verified. D. This is not acceptable because the level 2 is only a minimum. The answer is A. Yes. Number 9. Is the scope of inspection on RT01 acceptable to TWI specification? A. If that's all that accessible, then yes. B. No. C. The specification only calls for 10% radiograph on project 7690, so it is acceptable. D. All options are incorrect. The answer is A. If that's all that accessible, then yes. Number 10. Is the technique shown on RT01 correct on the joint shown? A. Yes, for thickness of this plate. B. No, as the plate is too thick for this technique. C. No, it should be DWDI. D. No. The answer is A. Yes, for thickness of this plate.